So what's your name, your company name, and what business do you do?
Yeah, I am Dandapani, General Manager Operation. My company name is Goodwill Varangia Private Limited. That help me.
So what business do you do?
Yeah, we are doing the domestic garments of Hamleys brand to Pan India.
So you have bought ST600 from Axis Enterprises. So what were the problems you are facing? So you needed this machine.
Yeah, we are sourcing the material in outsourcing. That is only the point of it's cost wise and the quality wise and the on time delivery. And we have more options if you have our own machine. We can do our own designing team. We have it. We can make a lot of designs. We are planning to this machine to make this one.
Okay, sir. So why did you choose Axis?
Yeah, we got market information and got a survey from your machine, and we choose this.
Okay, sir. So the installation is done, the training is given. So are you satisfied with the process?
Yeah, we are satisfied.
Okay, sir. How is the printing?
Yeah, it's good.